Hello, germs! Welcome back. It's all about the R sounds. Can you say that? R. Letter A makes the sound R. Let's look at words that begins with the sound R. R as in apple. R as in ant. R as in arrows. R as in alligator. R as in anchor. R as in almond. R as in avocado. Now you are going to do it all by yourself. R as in let me hear you say it. R as in you're doing great. R as in great. R as in if you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.